What is GMP in pharmaceutical industry? GMP in the pharmaceutical world is like making sure medicines are created in the best way possible, just like you'd want your favorite dish to be perfect every time. Hello everybody. In this video we will understand GMP by simple examples. GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practice, and it's a set of guidelines and quality control measures in the pharmaceutical industry to ensure the consistent production and distribution of safe and effective products. Companies prefer GMP manufactured products because adherence to GMP standards helps ensure quality assurance, safety and traceability. Following the medicine recipe, think of GMP as having a special recipe for making each medicine. It means following the steps exactly to ensure that the medicine turns out effective and safe, like how you follow a recipe to make your favorite dish taste just right. Checking ingredients. GMP is like carefully checking and measuring the ingredients, similar to making sure you have the right amount of sugar or flour. In medicines, it means using the correct amounts of each ingredient to guarantee they work properly. Clean lab, safe medicine. GMP is also about keeping the place where medicines are made super clean, just like you'd want your kitchen clean while cooking. This cleanliness ensures that medicines don't have anything extra in them that could be harmful. Writing down the medicine recipe. GMP involves writing down exactly how each batch of medicine is made. This is like keeping a record of your cooking steps so that if someone needs more of that medicine, the company can make it the same way again. So, in simple terms, GMP is like having a perfect recipe, using the right ingredients, keeping everything clean, and writing it all down to make sure medicines are always safe, effective, and just the way they're supposed to be. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.